So I finally did my nails again. Hopefully you guys like it. It is cheetah and leopard. You can see the leopard clearly on the yellow and orange. The rest of them like kind of dark. You can see it right here on the green. But it's the same way on the other hand, but I'm going to show you that in a second. Hopefully this is focusing enough. And as you guys do not know, I love, love, love rainbow. Love, love it. And the background is just a base color of silver. Hold on. And a polish, a silver polish. I have this as my base color, which is Wet n Wild Metallica. I think this is Wet n Wild. Yeah, it's Wet n Wild. And then the glitter is Sinful Colors. Sorry, I'm trying to focus the camera. As you can see, the glitter, it is Queen of Beauty 923. Okay, so that was what's in the background. If you guys can see that clear enough. My other hand, right here, I had to get that little piece of glitter off my finger. It's bugging me. Hope you guys can see it, and hope you guys like it. Want a tutorial? Comment on the bottom and tell you want me to do a tutorial, and I'll definitely do one. And I hope everybody's doing good, and I will talk to you guys later.